Looking for the best dog brushes? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dog brushes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Pet Neat Pet Grooming Brush. Works on both long and short-haired dogs. Effectively eliminates knots and removes loose hair. Fits easily in your hand and is comfortable to hold. Efficient, yet soft on your dog's coat. A single, stainless steel bladed brush that easily brushes out mats and knotted hair without causing your dog discomfort. May have to be cleaned out after each stroke. At number 2. Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Sturdy. Wire pins effectively lift dead hair without scratching or hurting the skin. Comfortable handle. Push button for cleaning brush. Suitable for any breed of dog and cat, this affordable, all-purpose brush removes dead hair, mats, tangles. Not the best choice for dogs with very fine or thin fur. At number 1. Maxpower Planet Pet Grooming Brush. Built with a 9-teeth side for detangling mats and knotted hair, and a 17-teeth side for thinning and de-shedding. Heavy duty and efficient while also being gentle on your up. A heavy-duty, dual-sided comb that is easy to use and perfect for comfortably untangling and grooming your dog's undercoat. Very effective and gentle. Long strokes can be uncomfortable and less effective than short strokes. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.